once again I Nisha Sharma is here in front of you all with my new topic of today's. But before I begin with today's class, I just want to convey a short message to you all that this video which we are making, it is for you students so that you can learn by sitting at home. Rongol Academy has planned this for you students only. Please take advantage of it and please try to learn more and more. So let's begin with today's class. So get ready with your notebook and pen.
So my today's topic is pronouns. See, first we'll see the definition part. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Or you can say pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Also, you can say pronoun is a part of speech which is used to avoid repetition. So see, there are multiple of ways of delivering the same definition. Now next we'll come down to the types. See, now what are the types of pronouns? It's kinds. First we have personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of names of people, place and things. Now this personal pronouns is having its two types. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Now see, I, you, she, he, we, it and they. Whenever it is used in sentence, it is said to be subject. On the other hand, me, you, him, her, them, us and it. These are object. When it is used in any sentence, these are considered as object pronouns. See, in the first example, I live near a school. I here is subject. On the other hand, you can see Amit bought a gift for him. Him here is an object. Next we have demonstrative pronouns. Yes, demonstrate. When we use to point out specific person, animals, places, things or ideas. Like this, that, these and those. For example, this is my pen. Those are our paintings. So that and those here are demonstrative pronouns. Next we have possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to indicate possession. Yes, right. Possession, ownership. Like mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, ours and its. For example, if this isn't ours, it must be theirs. Yours is much better than mine. Ours, theirs, yours, mine. This all shows possession. Therefore, these are possessive pronouns. Next we have interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to begin or introduce interrogative sentences like who, whom, whose, what and which. Example, what did you like best? Whom did you invite for the lecture? What, whom. These are interrogative pronouns. Next we have emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are used for the sake of emphasize and are therefore called emphatic pronouns like himself, myself, ourselves and yourself. Example, I myself got hurt. Rama himself made a mistake. Here you can see that जो हमने यहाँ पे myself का यूज किया है, ये एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन का जो यूज किया है, हमने नाउन के जस्ट बाद या प्रोनाउन के जस्ट बाद किया है. मीन्स जो एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन का यूज होता है वो नाउन के ठीक बाद या प्रोनाउन के ठीक बाद यूज किया गया है और इसके बाद ही यूज किया जाता है, इसके आसपास यूज किया जाता है. I myself got hurt. Rama himself made a mistake. I made a note here. Use myself, himself closer to the noun or pronoun when we are talking about emphatic pronouns. Okay? Now see, we have reflexive pronouns. See, there you might get bit confused, but see, you don't have to get confused with this. I'm making it more clear to you now. See, just now I explained about emphatic pronouns. Next we have reflexive pronoun. Somewhere both the pronouns are similar, but the use of pronouns are different here. Reflexive pronouns are used when the action done by the subject turns back upon the subject. Reflexive pronoun वो है जो हमारा रिफ्लेक्शन होता है. जैसे हम मिरर में खड़े हैं और हम खुद को ही देखते हैं, उसी तरीके से यहाँ पे जो सब्जेक्ट है, the action turns back upon the subject itself, like herself, itself, ourselves and myself. See the example. They hurt themselves. She hurt herself. यहाँ पे भी हमने themselves, herself का यूज किया है और यहाँ भी itself, ourselves, myself का यूज होता है. ठीक वैसे ही जैसे emphasize करने में होता है emphatic pronoun में. But जो emphatic pronoun में हम यूज करते हैं himself, myself, ourself का, वो हम noun या pronoun के आसपास करते हैं. Means it is closer to the noun or pronoun. But here it returns back to the subject itself. We use this at the end of the sentence. Clear? Next we have relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to relate a noun to a group of words that follow who, whom, which refer to people, which always refer to things, that refers to either people or things, whose is used for genitive. Now here, see, I have found the pen which I lost. Which I lost. What? Pen. Pen क्या है? एक वस्तु है. तो यहाँ पे which is used for pen. Here is the book that you lent me. Book that you lent me. It refers to either people or things. So here it is referring to thing. Next we have distributive pronouns. Distributive means what? Distributive, distribute करना मतलब क्या करना? हम जब distribute करते हैं, ये चीज देखो. It is used to refer to people or things one at a time. Okay, like each, either, neither. Now come to the example. These men received each a reward. I bought these mangoes for 3 rupees each. Now I'll make it more easier for you with the help of this note here. Each is used to denote every one of a number of persons or things. Either means the one or the other of two. Neither means not the one nor the other of two. It is the negative of either. While making notes, please note down these notes as well. so that you will not get confused. Now at last we have reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used to indicate that people do the same thing, feel the same way, or have the same relationship each other, one another. How? Let's come to the example. So this is the question actually. Annie is waving to Scene and Scene is waving to Annie. Now, when we write it as a reciprocal pronoun, we can say they are waving each other. Who are waving each other? Annie and Scene. Both of them are waving each other. They are talking to each other. They are talking to each other. Now, so here is a small note. There are two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. It is used to express a mutual action or relationship. So this was the chapter based on pronoun. Now let's come to the exercise. These are the question which is based on the same exercise, pronoun. You can copy it down by pausing the video. In first exercise, it is given define the terms. What is pronoun? How many kinds of pronouns are there? What is demonstrative pronoun? Give example. What is reflexive pronoun? Give example. What is relative pronoun? Give example. In the second exercise, it is given fill in the blanks using interrogative pronouns. So, solve this and define the terms. In my next video, I'll be giving you answer key based on these exercises. Now next come to the this is the answer key of adjective, the exercise which I have given you for homework. These are the answers. Please check it, match it with your answers. If it is right, good, and if it is wrong, correct it. This is second exercise. So this much for today's class. We'll see you in next videos. Till then, be safe. Take care. Thank you.